everyone. Today I am out at Laurel Racetrack and they're having a African Heritage Festival. Come on out and support your local vendors. Something for everyone. People are still setting up right now. Here's some books here, some children books. All kids need to learn how to read. Popping wine bags. Got clothing, pets. We got Anne Arundel County finest.
DJ Tune.
There's a stage there. And you have food vendors all the way down there. But I'm not walking down there right now. It's too hot. You have oil. Smells good. Okay, here are crates of soaps and bath bombs and everything else. This is what happens. I have to go through everything. My last event past Saturday, we had a monsoon come through. That's what it felt like. Wind blowing, tents all over the place. And all my soaps got wet. Labels got wet. So I have to go through all those boxes I showed you and relabel everything. This label actually almost disintegrated. You hardly could see it. And here's the one for my hair oil, my hair and scalp oil. Oh, Jesus, I'll probably be wasting $50 to $100 worth of labels. Some of the soaps I had to unwrap, let them dry out, and shrink wrap them all over again. Oh, well. That's the business. That's the thing you come into when you're doing a festival. Toodles.